Say hello.
Hiya. How long you rode for?
We've been riding since Copenhagen.
You've ridden all the way round?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So you live on the
We live on here, yeah.
it's called a barge or
This one's called a narrow boat.
a narrow boat.
She'll bark and go mad.
Okay.
Just, that's okay. Very protected. So,
Yeah. So it's a narrow boat.
Yes.
And do you have to pay to dock in places or?
No. If we moor here, this is free, but we pay a license and we pay insurance, rather like a car.
Nice.
So yeah, but if you go into a marina, then you have to pay.
Right.
But yeah, we do what they call constant cruise, which is move every 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah, we have to move. We have to go from one parish, which is where a church is, to another parish and another church, so that it's a parish. We can move, because my husband works in Oxford, we have to move sort of within a certain range of 45 minutes. So yeah.
And these boats, narrow boats, they're made specifically for this sort of use, or were they used?
They're made for this sort of canal.
Were they originally used to carry commerce, or what?
Yeah, they were. They were used to carry. Most of them were used for coal or bricks, and then later on they were used for a lot of barges carried sugar and tar from the docks and things like that. And then in the war they were used to transport ammunition from one place to another.
This looks in pretty good shape.
She wasn't. When we brought her, we had another boat, and it was this one had gone down, and my husband, he does all that sort of thing.
So what does it cost? What do these boats cost approximately?
This one has cost you about 26,000. So yeah, and have everything in it. We've got a coal fire, fridge, freezer, shower, toilet, everything you would normally have in a house.
Yeah.
But in a very limited space.
So do you have to the grey water and black water you have to pump off?
The black water, as in toilet waste, we have to go to a point to have it got rid of, or we have another toilet as well, like a little camping one, which we can pop in the car and nip to get it done.
Got it.
Grey water shower, washing up, goes straight into the canal.
Yeah.
So
I got to catch up. Thank you so much for the interview.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I'll publish this tonight on my blog.
Oh, what's it called?
Oh, it's called Studio T&B, Studio Terry and Brian.